Hi YouTube, I'm back with the finished product. So here's my blanket, and this is how it looks on the front. And then this is what it looks like on the back. So I was able to get all the stabilizer out, the sticky stabilizer, but next time I might use a cutaway. Or if I use sticky again, I think I will make the letters a lot bigger. But it came out great, and I hope my friend likes it. And yeah, so I look forward to making some more embroidery projects with my embroidery machine. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit the thumbs up, leave a comment, and thanks for watching. God bless you. You have an awesome and an amazing day. Thanks. Bye.